In this video, I demonstrate how to add more smart dimensions to the drawing. So to add some missing dimensions to this drawing, I can do it the same as I did in the part. So I'm going to come up here and choose Smart Dimension from the annotation ribbon. And then, for example, I need the length of this entity. So I'm going to click on the bottom here, come up. I'll just zoom in, click on that corner, and I'll move over and click to place my dimension. I'm going to push Escape and move these out to neaten them up. And I can continue to add smart dimensions using this method, as many as I would like. What I do want to point out is notice the difference in color. This is darker and this is kind of gray. This shows me it isn't driven by the part that I've added in the drawing. All these darker dimensions here were part of the features. So I used those in the sketch or the extrusions or the extrude cut, and those relate to the feature. This is an added dimension that wasn't used in the creation of the part. And SOLIDWORKS does that so I can easily distinguish between the two. I'm just going to fit the geometry to the screen. And when it prints, these will still print as per the proper line weight settings. I don't have to worry about that. This is just for me to know I can't double click on it and edit that dimension feature size. It's grayed out over here because it's not driving the part shape. It's driven by the other features.